Well, welcome back. Today, we're going to make a pair of barbecue tongs. And hopefully I can do the whole thing, because I'm running low on coal. So, I got it laid out with punch marks here. Here's going to be the handle. We'll draw this out, and here will be the little end piece, I guess the flipper, the teeth, I guess, whatever you want to call them. And then it'll be the same on this side. The flat part here, draw it out here, and the handle part. And then here is going to be where the spring will be to make it turn it into tongs. I saw Black Bear Forge do it like this, so I want to try it. I've seen other smiths just have two pieces and put a piece of spring steel in between them. But I want to try doing what I saw Black Bear Forge do. So, I got the forge going, and we'll get our lines in here for that pineapple twist to match the other two pieces, and then we'll go from there. And once this is nice and hot, I'll bring you back. So, today is a nice cold day, and I've heard this before. I've never experienced it, but if you work outside like I do, your anvil gets very cold. Like right now, I wouldn't want to hold my hand on there much longer than a couple seconds because it's very cold. Getting a big chunk of metal and putting it on there, the anvil will suck that heat up and warm it up. So when you go and put your work on there, the anvil won't suck the heat right out of it. And I got a nice chunk of metal in there heating up. It won't probably be glowing red, but it'll be close to it. So when I do it, bring you over this way a little bit more. There we go. You look better than that? Yeah. So when I bring it over, I'll put it on there, let it sit there for 5-10 minutes, and let the anvil suck up all that heat so it warms it up. Okay, it's taking a lot longer to get it heat up. I don't know if because it's just so cold out, but I'm going to pull it out and hopefully be able to get some work done on it. That's the bad thing about working outside and having a coal forge. You gotta get all that coal up in temperature to make it good heat. The propane forge, just have it lit and go, and those bricks just heat up. Which I am in the process of getting a new propane forge. So, hopefully by next week at this time, be able to have a propane forge in here and be able to do a lot more work and everything else. Yeah, that is not very hot out. I would not be surprised if we got the first heat done. Let's see. It took almost 15 minutes to get that up to temp last time, so I'll bring it back when it's up to temp again. I made a new hot cut just from an old welding chipping hammer. Just took the point off, and that's my striking end, and redid the cut up here, and still fairly sharp. So we'll see how it fares out after doing 8 cuts on the hot metal. So it's starting to heat up. Not very good though. It's only in a small little 2.5 inch area. So hopefully it will start heating up a lot more. If not, this video will be short. And we'll have to wait until I get the propane forge to continue on this video. But let's see how it looks. It's getting better. Alright. May have to cut this video short because it's looking like it's starting to burn in this one area. So we may have to, yeah, it's starting to burn the material. I don't want to burn this up. So, but we got 2 sides of it done. So that will be it for today. I'm not going to take a chance on burning this up, because just doing this as a hobby, can't really afford to go and get more material. So we're going to call it there for a day, and we'll pick this up after I get the propane forge, because propane forge should not get that to where it's starting to melt, because that's exactly what it looks like it's starting to do in that one spot, because it's so isolated. Because it's only getting hot between here and here. And just to get this area here, I have to push it all the way into my forge, and I don't have enough room to push it in further, so it's just heating up that area. So we're going to call it for a day and get back to it when I get that propane forge. So see you next time.